going on, VSG? So today we're gonna do some unboxing, and so we're gonna show you some new parts and show you some used parts that we're gonna put on this vehicle here. Now, first things first. As you look back there, that is the original door that came on this car, which is a hard top door. This door I got here is a convertible door. The reason why I'm putting this convertible door on here is because I like the mirrors that sit right here. I don't like them when they sit right here. Now, you may ask, then don't a convertible door come without a frame on top? And it does. So if you guys want to know how I got this frame on this door, hey, get down in the comments and let me know, and I'll do a video for the other side of the door. If I don't get no comments, then cool. I mean, that's cool with me. I'll just go ahead and do my business, and we'll move on. And another thing too, these hard tops didn't come with mirrors that sit right here. That's the main reason why I'm doing it, because the mirrors sit right here, and I really like the mirrors that sit right here. But anyway, let's move on. So let's start with the easiest stuff first. What I got here, over here, is two new fenders. Now, my understanding is that these aftermarket fenders, they from what I was just told after I bought it from somebody, that these don't fit that good. Aftermarket fenders don't fit that good on these cars. So we're gonna do some things, work the issues out, and if we can't, then we'll go and find some OEM fenders and put them on. But anyway, those are the fenders that I'm thinking about putting on in this video. Well, I'll put this side on too. Plus I got a splash shield to go in here as well. So that's good stuff. All right, next thing up is oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Is 5-lug conversion for these cars. I have the spindle, not the spindle, but the hub, the rotor, and the brake assembly. Got all that stuff. And we're gonna use it on the front of here for our 5 lugs. We got 5 lugs already in the back because the suspension back there came with 5 lugs, but we're gonna put 5 lugs on the front. And this is off of a 95, I believe. 94, 95, one or two, I can't remember right now. But we got 2 of these. Oh. Jesus Christ. All right. Alright, so these are the struts we're going to use. These are the struts that came off the black car. With the thingy on top. I can't think of what it's called right now, but we're going to use those again. So that is good. Using old parts that we had already. And these are, I can't remember. These are adjustable. Top of the knob there, you can turn it. So we got some adjustability. I still need to get springs for the front. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do or which ones I'm gonna go with. Gotta figure that out. But we'll get it done. We got new bolts for the front suspension. That's what these are. OEM. And we got another kit here for the back of the suspension. Fits into the frame right here. And you got to put a metal piece in there with the bolts. One side of one of these sides don't have it, so I had to buy new. So, put that there. Alright, so what we have here, let me turn y'all down a little bit. Oh, come on now, turn down, fool. Okay, what we have here is the BMR control arms. I was gonna go, what do you call that? Damn it. Man, I can't think of nothing right now. I was gonna go the other way with these, but I didn't know if I really wanted to, or even if it really mattered at this point. With everything being out of stock and trying to wait on stuff is just ridiculous. I went on it and bought these control arms. All right. So, here's your BMR low control arm. Brand new. Nice piece. Spring pocket right here. So I need to figure out what springs I'm gonna go with. Some lowered springs or some regular height springs. I don't know yet. I'll know after I put the front suspension in though. Got a left one or the right one, or a right one or a left one, whichever one these is. I don't know right offhand. Let me see here. I don't think they'll go like that. I think this piece here, matter of fact, yeah, this piece here fits on this side from this side. So this here is the driver's side. Put that in there like that. And we'll throw that paper away. Throw it in my box. One subscriber left a comment in one of my videos a video a long time ago, which I just recently found the comment. I'm sorry for the delay on the comment, but he said when he likes my videos when I'm doing telling the play-by-play, but he wanted me to cut the music so they can hear me better. So here we go. Only thing you hear right now is this fan going. So, which made sense, you know. So here's the piece that's gonna get this car back on the ground. Well, yeah, get this car back on the ground. I already got some spares for this vehicle, and I'm not worried about getting no rims for it yet until we are ready for rims, and that's gonna be a minute. So I believe I'm gonna get this thing painted first and everything else. So I'm gonna open this up, and I want you guys to leave a comment saying, should I paint my car this color? Thinking about it. Should I paint my car? So leave me a comment. And figure out how to do this. So this is my first time seeing this. I've seen pictures of it, but my actual first time ever seeing it is right now. And this here is the BMR as well. Front K-member. This is the premium BMR. Let's get us a peek here. This is not the color that I did it, or is it? I think I changed my color. I think this is the color. I thought it was red, but it's not. It's black, and it matches these BMRs here. And now, yeah, I remember now. The reason why I changed it to black, because I was going to get red, because they didn't have the red lower control arms. But they got this, so I'm good with this. Here we go, y'all. The BMR. Got BMR right here. I really like this one because it's a little bit thicker. I still need to get the rack for this. I'll get that soon. Haven't really been thinking about it, but I need to get that. And this piece here will go right here. Yep, it sure is. I'm really liking it, y'all. So we come together slow, but we come together. And oh my goodness, I just realized something. Right here at the bottom, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, let me raise that up a little bit. Right here, it's set up for two different ways. You can raise it up to lower it, or to lower the control arms, or you can drop it to raise the control arms to give you more distance. Now, if I put it in the top hole, that means that this car will automatically sit lower. So it kind of won't make a difference which control arms I can get. I can get regular control arms, and this here, this adjustment here, will make it fit lower. I need to think about that, because if I get lower control arm, not lower control arm, but I get lower springs, that means that it's going to drop this car even lower. I don't think I want that. And I might have to adjust for the size wheels I get. Thinking about 18s, not going to be no more than, not going to be bigger than 18s. But they got to be stylish. They got to be nice. Alright, so I guess we can scratch that, because I'm not going to paint it black, I don't think. I don't think I'm going to paint it black. I'm thinking about red, but I don't think I'm going to paint it black. But we will see here when I go to, because I'm probably going to paint the engine bay myself and see how it turns out. And if it turns out good, I might just go ahead and spray this whole damn garage red. But we're going to see. We're going to see. But that's the end of this video, man. That's all I got for this one. It's a short video. So like, comment, subscribe, and we're going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace.